I am gonna rush this intro really quickly. I'm going on a road trip with my friend Karen, so I'll do a quick outfit of the day for you. So scent wise, I am wearing Zara Red Vanilla, which I'm gonna pop in my bag. I've got my Zara coat on, H&M jumper, Zara jeans, Stuart Weitzman boots, and my hair is a royal mess. But yeah, we're going on a road trip. We're going to Reading to see one of our old uni friends and plan for the Vegas trip. So I thought I'd vlog. And this is the bag that I'm wearing. So I'm going to go out and meet her in the car and grab some snacks that I bought earlier. So I'll be taking you guys along with me, and this is your Sunday video. You probably guessed that already. So we're in the car. We got Mrs. Kigandu over there, or Karen, in case she doesn't want her whole name out there. Right. Oh, this is lovely, isn't it? This works. We got some snacks. We got Pringles, Haribo.
We'll get there. Sorry.
Sweet popcorn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, carry on.
No. And energy, Lucozade, and we are. Oh, present from this lovely lady here, Trini Girl by Nicki Minaj. Embrace your inner Trini. With Nicki.
Yeah. From work.
Yeah.
Gifting.
Gotta love a lady that works somewhere you get free merch. Then the good stuff, not fucking branded USBs like I get.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a branded USB. I love a branded USB anyway.
I've not used a USB in a while, you know.
Do you know, that's actually something we never get at work, branded USBs.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Hmm.
I mean, I know it's like beauty, but like we still
but you
use
know,
computers.
people, exactly. We've got files to carry and shit, you know. Hey guys, so I'm back from Reading. I didn't vlog much of us being there because we spent a lot of the time just hanging out at my friend's house and yeah, put together our plan of action for Vegas. So that's done, which is good. And now, yeah, I'm back at my mum's. I'm gonna chill here because we are going. We're going furniture shopping tomorrow. So yeah, yeah, I'm just really tired, so I think I'm going to end today here and vlog some of tomorrow. So if you fancy seeing us furniture shopping, then stay tuned for that. There'll probably also be an explanation as to why I'm furniture shopping in that segment, but for now, good night. Good afternoon. It's definitely not morning anymore. I am dressed and ready to go. Same outfit on as yesterday, so you know, don't judge. I am headed to, I think, Lakeside with my mum. We're gonna do some furniture shopping and maybe just grab some lunch after. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah. Oh, I'm wearing this Nicki Minaj perfume from Karen. It's very zesty, very fruity, quite youthful as well actually. So probably not like any of my other scents, but it's a nice change. So yeah, I haven't done much with my hair. I've just kind of left it be. But yeah, chilled Sunday, and I'm gonna head back to the house later. And then I'll just do like a little sit down and just kind of talk you guys through some of the stuff that is coming up. in the next few months, because there's lots of changes, and yeah, I just wanted to be a bit transparent about what's going on so that you guys know, you know, what perspective videos are shot from and that kind of thing. But yeah, all to be revealed. Memoirs from last night. Only the best. Just had a Jehovah's Witness knock on the door and ask if I speak French. Classic Sunday. We're in Mum's new Lexus.
Thank you.
She's feeling herself too much.
Working hard.
Or hardly working. But yeah, just give you guys a look.
She likes something like this. When
You've really thought this out.
na hand cream ojaziguliranga mu container yazo.
Yeah, I love the handle.
The handle. That's no way to it. You can jazz it up with a black one. And he just froze nazikize motoka and he put his head on bondi omusajja omulala nayimira namugamba yokemmed namugamba I can't do this. I can't drive it. ekyabayamba bali babiri mu mmotoka
Yeah.
omu najja n'amuvugira emmotoka
Oh, bless.
omulala n'avuga eri endala n'okuva mu mmotoka he was like his legs were shaking.
Crazy. So we're just coming back from Lakeside. We've seen some nice stuff. Definitely found the sofa. Potentially the bed as well. And some cutlery and some bathroom stuff. But yeah, we're in a good spot. Mummy's seen some stuff that she wants to use as the style for her renovations. So yeah, headed home now. I'm going to edit this and then we'll be done. Okay, so we have red velvet cake, a cup of extra strong tea. Let's get into it. So, furniture shopping today, very successful. I got some cutlery, so some knives. Oh, I've already said this anyway. Saw a sofa that I really like. Saw a bed that was a really good price. I'm not sure where to look. I think I'm looking here. Yeah. But yeah, reason why I'm furniture shopping is, as I mentioned, I am moving house. So you guys know, if you have been watching my channel for a little while, that I recently just moved into, well, I say recently, like 2015, I moved into, well, I'm not there now, I'm at my mum's house, but I moved into my current house. But we are selling up, and I'm moving to a place by myself, as we are amicably, but obviously regrettably, you know, going on our own paths in life. You guys probably will have noticed that I haven't been wearing my ring, I only had one. And that is, you know what, in summary, it's just a thing of life. Sometimes the path that life takes you on as two people isn't always necessarily the same path. But I will say that there is no bad blood. There is no ill feeling. You know, it's always friendship and love and peace. I would wish all the best for him, and I'm sure the same likewise. But I think, you know, as you get older and as you experience things and as you get to know yourselves, you will find often that that the path that life takes you on, sorry, rude, is not always the one that you thought it would be. Things often don't work out in the way that we had envisioned, but I always believe that things always work out for the best. So yeah, so that is kind of what I've been sorting in the last, I'm going to say, what are we in now, March? So since November. But I guess mentally in a headspace for all of 2017. But yeah, new beginnings. I'm buying a place by myself, so fingers crossed, just waiting for that to all go through. And yeah, then I will ultimately have, you know, a place to call home. Not that my mum's place isn't home, I'm here all the time. It might as well be, but yeah, so I am temporarily just kind of moving my stuff into storage, and then we'll move it all into the new place once I close on that. But the sale for our place closes next week, and yeah, we will yeah, and then that's basically it. So we're going to spend a lot of the bank holiday weekend moving stuff, packing, but that's fine. But yeah, just kind of wanted to be a little bit transparent, a bit open, just kind of let you guys know what's going on. In my heart of hearts, I know that this is the right decision for me, I guess for us, and I feel at peace with it. And I think that's the most important thing, that you are happy and that you feel at peace with the life that you're living. So I guess if I had any message to anybody watching today, that is if it's you and you're kind of facing a really difficult decision, or you've come to a crossroads or kind of like a transition point in your life, I would say that your happiness should be paramount, and your happiness should not be built upon a vision for your life that somebody else has, has created. It should be based upon what makes you feel good inside, and what makes you feel like you are being your true authentic self. So sometimes we have to make very difficult decisions, and sometimes we have to just set aside other people's opinions and expectations, and just do what makes your heart feel free, basically. So yeah, that is the end of my Sunday vlog. I hope you've enjoyed. And I'm going to be vlogging a little bit more, because obviously sit down videos I can't really do. I might do one last one in the in Style with Substance HQ when I'm moving my stuff out next week. But what you will be getting is a lot of moving vlogs and just a lot of everyday life family vlogs. So you guys will see me out and about with friends, relatives, siblings, etc. So there'll be probably a little bit more of a personal element, but just kind of not like personal, but like just me going about my everyday business. As I think the next chapter in my life is going to be quite an exciting one. Obviously turning 30 this year, going on holiday quite a bit this year. So planned holidays include Vegas in May, Barcelona in June, and then hopefully I can squeeze in one more in September, October, which would be like Washington. So yeah, I'll be taking you along the journey, basically, so you guys will get to follow on and just see what I get up to on a day-to-day basis, not just see me kind of sat in front of your screens in a very, in a setup, just kind of talking at you. I guess you kind of will get the real. But obviously I will be back doing those videos once I've moved in and I've got all my stuff in there. So yes, moving vlogs, decorating vlogs, interior design, all of that to come. So really excited about the content that is coming your way. As far as the motivational videos, I don't know how feasible they are next week, because I'm moving house, got a baby shower, like there's lots going on. But I'll be vlogging, so your motivational message for next week, if I can leave you with one in today's vlog, is live your best life, be your true authentic self, and nothing else matters but your happiness. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday for another vlog.